the luxury life. My beauty can't lose it, I'll use it. I'll take what I want. Oh yeah. A whole lot of ticket, but not enough time. A whole lot of work for a trophy wife like me. Oh. Slow traffic cause me stress. Show no panic, I'm just born in a dress. At 9 older, I'm older, I'm done. I'll do what I want. I'll do what I want. Spending a Sunday at the gym, trying to fit in. Counting the days until I meet my future husband. I try to be kind to myself. I said, girl, you got this. A whole lot of ticket, not enough time. A whole lot of sweat for a trophy wife. The clock keeps ticking, still running out of time.
Calling, and when you're moving, I can hear my calling. kiss you before the sun goes down.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 I haven't cut my hair since I walked through your door. It's never been quite this long before. Taking some time to get all settled in, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I never thought that I would move out of town. There's something about this place that holds me back. Made some mistakes, but I can start again, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I'm grateful to know you, so grateful to show you all the things that I've been holding deep within. Love is complicated, and at times I feel frustrated, but I know that in the end our love will win, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I never thought that dreams could really come true. I never thought I'd ever find someone like you. We lose our way, but always lean back in, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I'm the happiest I've ever been. I'm the happiest I've ever been. When I look at you, I see Georgia. I see sunshine headed my way. I feel love like no other, a baby and a mother, sweetest thing that I'll ever be.